Mayana CBM ni amu atchibium Adom TV Badwam dwumadie no eso ya hyase dada enwom ne edi kan na fe ni tekutego nso aba ene ni nkranhye nsama nnenso ode amaye fe de edu so no kase no ensam ne etodwa wo mu bi ya wo betini adehye ya wo mo ewo tutuka wo mu mfiri ho na mfiri wo chena ewo se wo mo ebodompem ewo new month fo akache kusi se won mo nsem obeye ediama wo mo yede no ebebro na fe yakọ ensem foforo mu na mo traditional area na na kwaku danko tosumi ensa aka nokure wo mu ewo nsem bi a wosuso se nkranza hene eka edefa won mo ehu sansem we ni nsem bi ena no pay me de bro Adom TV Badwam kase wadaroma hwame Facebook/Adom TV extra and Go TV na wa 119 DSTV 280 or YouTube or search Adom TV tube. Yewo ho sansem we ni sembi ni nyina ebro. Kwa adomonline.com ya tro de agu ho videos ni audios so ewo ho. Medin ede afia amankwa tamaklo. Afia ni de mientie se den nsem ni tremu no etie. Adehye ya wo mo ewo tutuka ewo Stephen North mensimu wa hafomantemu se ne ombeye ye kire na kwa akobo won sesen so ewo New Month fo atena ye kosi se won mo mpatade ana won sika obesue ho no wo so wode ma won saka no won ma anya de bia won behu anim ewo ho
say Nimot ajatum se o je sika ema ye ye rent allowance o mu je ma ye na pe ye hu se bibia ye nkata e kire ye ntimi mpa ya no sa meka asem biem na mom kata na ye pese e da so na ye ka asem e na pe so yansa ne be free na hu se last person o kudochi krom no ana japa de o se etua ne ka ansa ne be hu se free a sa pepe na ese a ya bo etimu po ne anua no nyina so pese ye
yenko ya ba ye de kata ba ye de mosquito net ba ye ba ne aba beda ha because ba bi ete no enye emwa ye nti ye da ha te bibia mo di rent allowance bibia ma ye se yenko pe ba bi ne entena ana se ye sika akamu ni nyina mo de ma ya eno an se me ka che me manfo se mo me yenko o mbedi machi
onipa ono ene gine mu ekasa ye ede ma adwumakuo no Community Relations Manager Yimano Ato Oben enso edi tudwa se omanfoe enhwe se woye kire ya womo eyei womo betwa so esan se obia esese womo ehia no efa sa ensem hihui womo ne ombesi nkonya ewon kran
no yate na tia yate no yenso so sabi onye yede o se yetena se ne esan so solve ne bim ono nti na ye sisa nkonya no akina nti mo ma ye akina na ye sisa nkonya no because otena ha asema pesa wote ne nne no wote wa ade ha no unya ne nne akina na yempefo nyina beka ho ansem nti akina aye Wednesday antoma sa Thursday beba de na ya te de wom nti misramo nuanom ima me no papa no misramo se ye pade agu ye botoma ye pesikaje ye pes bibia a me gidi se nne ka se betuma gine haya de amamonda na meboa
Overlord ya wono timo traditional area so nana kwaku dakwa ya wotoso emiensa nana kwaku dankwa enei waba edinchiremu aba ya wo kire sen simbia nkranza hene nana kwa me bafo pim eka edifa won ho no waba aba bechiremu nokre oso nokre bia enim sekentampo ya market ene kentampo waterfall no ene niema bie no eye nkranzafo edia enum nsem no eni
omantumi awuraho nti na later mo appeal say mo kuro no ye ba ho ayesuro ye ntumi ma ho ni mo fa ko New Longro answer na 1945 ye de capital no ko New Longro to bia ni ye so da na nkranza ba bedi yen so asanteman ye no mo fa ayonko e be dwane asanteman council at the then time no Asante Confederation around 1744 na ye member of the asanteman council no nkranza so be ye member of asanteman council now ye member na me so me ye member now so be di me so na abakoso mtrese ne nana ye ma nana nkranza hene ate ne nana bafo pem oni adudo nyina na ye pono e de ayi musuo e wo makom kwarupi ye ma yo musuo e no mu dwane ye e beto a moman e wo don kron kwanta longro kwanta na nana kwantio e nana ote ho a oye ohene ewo longro kwanta ho on mo friend di se longro tio so na no de ya nkranza jazz hene okan say bi say ono ba meto na longro tio e wo lo don kron kwanta longro tio no nkranza food enye nkranza food enti ye manati ase se ye nya sase ni ma no ye ni abase e bo hye ye ni techimai e bo hye ye ni wenchi e bo hye ye ni nafana e na wo hye ye ni gonja e na wo hye at the black voter ye ni yen sase ya no send your car say oh my ye ngina sase 1 p no yen so ye ka train ni say ya sase kwata p brand one
Aban Futuni war Pomodin Emo Mechere Presidential Advisor on Health Dr. Anthony Insia Asare Sanokure bia ni mo sen neno ma baya ma ho kwan se a nurse for ne midwife be se 15,000 yemfa won mo adwuma no ma me anya na manyosem na nokure bia nso ni mo se ye ba beto abanti e na won mo yesa wo be ne ni hwudwumade so e na Dr. Insia Asare den semi etudwa
hospitals 112 102 is equal the bill account be 104 it was a day 540 about 1000 be kan na ye be 57,000 regional hospitals no en so na yesi no en so be hia nipa ba ko bia be hia nipa 1343 doctor for nurse for ni ade ti en so nko multiply by 7 na be hia 9345 psychiatric hospitals bi ni yesi ba ko e wo onwe e be serve middle belt ne ba ko e watermelon no any across psychiatric hospital ba could be also be here 947 health professionals it will be here 2841 to can nyina bomwa e be here nipa 68,184 enti ofa nipa 68,000 e wie nyina ne ke yefa wo mu nyina o ma mo fie kura nka ahwe ba chire ko Nigeria ko peko fo beka ho o ba hwe a ye ba ba mo no first na nka akọ fill form titi hobi na etwa mu no obo akọ ye fani wie kura be boso miensa na ye mfa no nko ba bia ko ye adwuma kura yintua na ka boso miensa ba we no abefu ne ma ba ye friend platform no okoso a fif no ombeya kopem 23rd August 6 p.m. na je se omo wie na afi omo de eyina ma various agencies no enti no enche acha bia boso mi enti financial clearance no wo ho for up to 31st of December until obi also ko be bia sama no obi akọ enni enye bosome miensa na say mfiensia na say because of anytime ye be budget bia no ye fe nipa be ma statistics bi mo hu say enya dia edidi agro say ebia
My Adom TV Badwam Kasiano so for ya wono hwe enwomasua so ye doctor ya wo say aduchum say free SHS be ba na me say o man nwumasua ne mum e be hye ne kena emunsemni.
You also hear other people talk about the free senior high school had diminished education outcomes. And sometimes when I hear that, I say, what kind of planet do they live on? Free senior high school has somehow destroyed education. Now that the poor gets the opportunity to go, everything is bad because the poor is in the room. We need to bring everybody on board. Let's look at the data and judge for ourselves. In 2015, 45.2% of our students got a credit score in English language. 45.2, 2015. Fast forward, 2023, 73.11% have A1 to C6.
What the assembly mane one more work cancer money ever free SHS when say kwan ben and I said you made enough so I say we may addition was the studio said the one more boa ama and quada can be nanka one month means you are one more addition as say one more yasa quanyano and who be here some phone in a even say a yard the pat and a one a
from 2020 as the free senior high school students began to graduate, there's not a single year where any subject has been below 50%. All the ones that are red was when the subject was below 50%. After 2020, you don't see red. I congratulate the teachers of Ghana, headmasters for their hard work, and for their determination even through COVID.
Christ the King Catholic Senior High School more immersion for and what do you desire to a journal almost stress a dime be an year a far and bear 600 beds ye jar to obey infusion a congo chimney or stramping for or mumra maybe in former woman sabe you bit me abo man to chew na wadesua ho nsɛm so akɔyi Adom kase abo aprɔkɔ hɔ ene hu nsɛmi
ye girls din me pese oyemaye de nti am pese oyemaye da classroom even po wakodware na oba no na nipa wa around in case oteta eye ferry na nka ya je nso dia eye girls di oteta imbanko na wo ho no
girls di ye baaye no mo say ebi wo ho mo we cho mo enya boarding house to mo enya boarding na so mbeda hostel anenso o me so ba oba obeda ho 2.5 and a feeding fees yan fa ma free boarding house near free by hostel and ye be ju a day be 10 series ti bo so me yetimi for feeding nti a day be 10 series bo so me near 300 series e bo 3.1 ti be sra ban so obe hwe na obe dormitory na ma na nke be free hostel ho abeka boarding house no
headmaster o school mu haso eni nkomo na yemisa headmaster say e dey some ban e no woka kire aban
e man ni dormitory omoda classroom na school no first na a day school e be a boarding school no and almost started 600 bed capacity for the girls boys need the nyame Adom PT aye bibi kakra no kra enso na me buy that's my second year here me buy last year minister baha abe promises obeba be wie iti any daso nyina ne so obeba be wie amaye na ma na free classroom aba dormitory near use classroom ni for the teaching and learning
midi at the Isaac K Nomanyo Adom ka
Yamia ya Adom ama parliament apase ye shippers authority law no ye be abema won mo ekwan na import duties any charges ahodo bi no akotote ya afane afa obi anso eni beda ho anase won mo sum ebejo.
Parliament passed the Ghana Shippers Authority Bill 2024 into law following its successful third reading on the floor of the House. Among others, the law which amends the 50-year-old establishment law of the Ghana Shippers Authority, NRCD 254/1974, will regulate commercial activities of shippers and will primarily address the issue of unfair and excessive charges that burden traders who use Ghana's sea and air ports, as well as land borders to ply their international trade. It will introduce transparency in the determination of port fees and charges, and will by that ensure that there is better accountability in the legal movement of international trade cargo across all borders of Ghana. The law further aims to make Ghana a preferred transit trade route for her landlocked neighbors, Burkina Faso, Mali, and Niger, and overall enhance the sector's revenue contribution to the national purse. The new law is an enabler in the sense that it will empower Ghana Shippers Authority to better adapt to emerging trends and complexities within the shipping and logistics industry. In this capacity, Ghana Shippers Authority can better protect the interests of shippers and shipping service providers and improve its regulatory oversight.
So nenra nyame ya Adom affirmative action bill no so yaje atumu ntino se se die dia emema ye obanso ebetumi aye bie hunahuna ani yimu bia nso enkonkoba so na kanema mpani kofo abreso na ekoto ho ne ye bobo ho afei na abrewa ne poma kwan mu a wotumi aje atuma ayemra emunsem eni
in favor of the third reading of the bill, say aye. Aye. Those against, say no. Honorable members, the ayes have it. The affirmative action, Gender Equality Bill 2024, Bill 2024, now Affirmative Action Gender Equity Act 2024 duly read the third time and passed.
An act to provide for affirmative action for gender equity in the public and private sectors and for related matters.
Ntiate den ye train se mampani de nsa ebehyasie na fe emudro no aye edro ankasa. Etienya no so na Adom TV kase na ha ne bema kwan na no pe wadaroma ye de siase da no nkoma usa ojebre ehwe bie kosoa na ne yentena na yenhwede de wonkrata no anope wo mu de bae na fe online stories so nia eka o kode erade hwe mfa nkomra ne mo mutimi hwe live on Facebook/Adom TV Extra and also YouTube Adom TV Tube baby obedru bia na wo laptop and our phone so kra wo log ko adomonline.com and something nyina nso ye de egu ho video na wo pe audio ni nyina nso obetimi atie na wo ko podcast nso a shows bia one message ni nyina nso ya downloading so e de egu ho obejebre na wakenkan social media platforms ni nyina no Adom TV e wo ho media fia amankwa tamakro besi ma mienu miensen ye nkomra na ye ba ye beto so